You probably agree that being able to build your own high quality pages and customize them for your business is very important. And to be able to customize them so that they connect to all of the other pages that you want your customers and your prospects to see is equally important, and will give you additional opportunities to generate profit. All of these things, when they work together, give your business a more professional feel and give people comfort when they make a purchase. But honestly, how long would it take you in order to produce pages that look like these and to customize them over and over again? Well, the Groove.cm system will allow you to do it once you really understand how it works. And you can do this repeatedly for every idea and product that you have. But there are different processes that you'll want to understand before you start using GrooveCM efficiently. We have available here a step-by-step over-the-shoulder video course that will show you how to utilize all of the features that you see in Groove.cm that will help you to get your creative ideas up and running. If you wish to find out more about them, check out the link you see on your screen, and as luck would have it, Groove.cm is having its final single payment for life launch right now. This will finish at Tutu Day, the 22nd of February 2022 or 2222. So click that link and get started now.